I am Frank. Today we're going to see an unboxing video. Today I'm going to unboxing a glass jar. The price of the product will be 215 rupees. It is a storage glass jar and the product material will be glass. Comes in combo packages. We can see 6 different glass jar in a single package. This product will be suitable for kitchen storage, craft, cosmetic and much more as we want. A drawback will be that this product size will be seems to be little small, but overall it is a great product. The built-in quality of this product will be really great in this price segment. Overall it is a value for money product. Finally in the box you can see 6 different glass jars. Guys, thanks for watching.